Once again, it is Teigen!
I had the best time tonight. I haven't had this much fun in a long time. Congratulations, champ. Undefeated. Undefeated.
I'm watching you do that split in the beginning of the Genie number.
Thank you.
That was awesome. Yes.
I mean, I've had a great day all day, but I mean, watching this entire production come together and dancers and costumes, and then I really enjoyed your number. I thought it was great. I thought you had, you were out there with a lot of swagger and a lot of confidence in these hot shorts and just killing it. I mean, yeah, that's why you're the champ.
I can't believe I'm in front of you in this.
It's amazing, by the way. It's so
believe
good.
it.
It's so good.
My kids really dig stuff like this, so I'll probably put it in their room. They'll probably get it.
That's awesome.
You know what I mean?